guys, and welcome once again to Martin Lynch & Sons YouTube video channel. And today we're going to be looking at the KiwiSDR and BeagleBone. And what is this? Well, this is actually a network attached SDR solution. Comes with a GPS port for a GPS antenna, which is supplied in the kit. There you go, one of those. And it has its own supply via the same port, 3.3 volts. The main Kiwi board is HF. It covers, I think, right the way from sort of low frequency right the way up to about 30 megahertz, 32 possibly, if you tweak the software. It's all accessed via your web browser. Which will, I'll maybe put some footage of that at the end of this the video, show you how to connect to it, or I may do these in two separate videos. I'm not sure at the moment, so bear with me. Yeah, so it's all accessed via your web browser, and you essentially just search. You put in the address bar. It's KiwiSDR.local : 8073 for the actual main program, and if you want to get into the admin and maybe see some of the GPS results or the positioning, then if you do the same address, so that's KiwiSDR.local : 8073 / admin. That will then take you to the admin page where you can do some setup. You can apply passwords and stuff like that to the web access to this. And this brings me on actually to the best thing about these. This is a kind of a community project, and from what I can see so far is that when you get one of these, you can actually share access to it, and I believe you can have up to 4 users per device. So all around the world there are these little boxes, and you're able to get access to them via, if you want to do that, you need to open a port up to the internet, and then obviously assign to this address, so that kind of means then that people can so jump on your thing. You can have up to 4 users. I think there is a bit of a reduced bandwidth per user the more you get on, but that's neither here nor there. It's just great fun. It's a really interesting little project. As I say, you've got the basics. You've actually got like the your Ethernet port. You've actually got a USB port there, and you've got the power, which is supplied with this with a DC 5mm DC type plug. As I say, I think we covered this on the back there. You've got the BeagleBone board, and you've got an SD card slot. Don't make the same mistake I did. Your SD card is for emergencies only. Keep the SD card safe in the box. You do not need to put it in the device. It's pre-installed. Okay, so unlike a Raspberry Pi, this actually, you take a card and it installs the software onto the Beagle board or the BeagleBone, and then you remove the card. Okay, so it's all of the information that this needs to run is already pre-installed on the board. Don't install the SD card. No matter what. I made that mistake. I installed the SD card, and it completely ruined the device, and I had to reflash it all and start afresh. And that was a bit of a pain. So this is the KiwiSDR, and we have these in stock. Give us a shout, and if you want to, please email me, Gary at hamradio.co.uk. I'd love to answer your questions if you have any, or if you have any suggestions for the future. If you've got any products that you want us to go and have a look at, then by all means. I'm going to follow this up probably later on with a bit of a sneak preview of the new DV4 Mini Ambi stick that's just due out anytime soon. We are taking pre-orders for those now, so with any luck they should be with us shortly. Please, as I say, email me at gary@hamradio.co.uk, or you can leave comments. It's entirely up to you. Brilliant. Anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll try and follow this up with some actual footage of the software running. Thanks for watching.